Sa Helen in Germany, the singing bird. You ought to know by now, love is to look in my eyes, love in the way you smile when I say I wish you would stay. You bring out all the youth in me. I laugh and cry out all the truth in me out of love. You should know by now. Haven't you felt by now just what it's like to be loved, knowing that certain times when you're sure time won't give you more, you bring out all the best in me. I wanna hold you till you feel the need somehow. You should know by now. If I could just find the words, I wouldn't believe so lonely. If you were my only, then I'd show you how. Every move as smooth as silk. Say you will, say you will. Hasn't it crossed my mind? Haven't you known all the time? Honestly tell me now, has it shown how much love is grown? The way I tremble at the sight of you, I want to learn to love you true, and true is how we. You should know by now. You should know by now. Don't you think you should know by now? Thank you sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much. So another song, we will try this one. Okay, so sana nagustuhan nyo ang ating first song for tonight. For itatry lang natin. Enjoy sa Helen in Germany, the singing bird version. Okay, there it goes. Thank you. Enjoy. Okay. Darling, can't you see what losing you has done to me? I'm not the same girl I used to be. Have a change of heart. Don't let me standing in the dark. Don't let confusion keep us apart. Come back to me, I'll guarantee all the tenderness and love you'll never need. This time I'll be sweeter. Our love will run deeper. I won't miss me. Since you've been away, I haven't seen the light of day. I'm lost without you, can't find my way. So won't you please be fair and let me show how much I care. Say you'll be mine and answer my prayer. Come back to me, and I promise I'll be everything that bright and new life through. This time I'll be sweeter. Our love will run deeper. Faith in me. This time I'll be sweeter. Our love will run deeper. I won't mess around. I won't let you down. Have faith in me. Have faith in me. Thank you so much.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Okay, another song. Try natin. Enjoy lang po tayo. Someone That I Used to Love by Natalie Cole. Ayan. Helen in Germany, the singing bird version. Okay, enjoy. Okay. Here we goes. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Huwag kalimutan i-subscribe ang inyong host. When I wake up each morning, trying to find myself, and if I'm ever the less than sure, I always remind myself, though you're someone in this world that I always choose to love, from now on, you're only someone that I used to love. As for me, it's getting down to the last unspoken part, when you must begin to ache the pain of a broken heart. Tell me, why should I even care if I have to lose your love? From now on, you're only someone that I used to love. Wish it was enough for you, for the love I have to give. I did my best to keep you satisfied. I guess you'll never know how much I tried, I really tried. And if your off watch should cross again, Well, you won't find me being the one to get lost again. Once I had so much to give, but you just refused my love. From now on, you're only someone that I used to love. I did my best to keep you satisfied. I guess you'll never know how much I tried. I really tried. When I wake up each morning trying to find myself, and if I'm ever less than sure, I always remind myself, though you're someone in this world that I always choose to love. From now on, you're only someone that I used to love. From now on, you're only someone that I used to love. Mega love shout out sa inyong lahat. Sa mga bagong pumasok, maraming salamat po. Sana huwag niyo kalimutan i-subscribe ang inyong host. Do you're someone in this world that I always choose to love. From now on, you're only someone that I used to love. From now on, you're only someone that I used to love. Ayan, thank you so much. Oh my God, beautiful. Thank you so much. Okay. Till the next video. Okay, so. Sana. maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Yeah. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating cover song. Ayan. So, thank you. See you next time. Love you all. Bye. Okay. Thank you so much.